Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Sealoom, and I want to take just a minute to introduce you to Florentine, a style reminiscent of 19th century ornate plaster ceilings, and one that we've been selling for over half a century. To start, yeah, they're plastic, and that's a good thing. Florentine 2x2 ceiling tiles are made from our Featherlight Series 13,000 thick rigid vinyl, which makes them lighter, easier to clean, and more adaptable than any ceiling tile you've ever seen or felt before. First, don't let their weight fool you. This thermoformed design, combined with the inherent strength of vinyl, makes these tiles rigid, durable, and incredibly easy to install and maintain. Class A fire rated, 100% recyclable, completely waterproof, Greenguard Gold Certified for indoor air quality, and made right here in the USA. These tiles pair the beauty of vintage plaster ceilings with the modern features only Sealoom can give you. Available in 9 designer colors and finishes, we've got a match for every installation. And these tiles are also pretty easy on the eyes. Most ceilings will have some less than full-size border sections. For those, you'll need to choose a separate border tile. Our Stratford ceiling tiles are the perfect border accent. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, please don't hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Sealoom.